Things you need off Amazon, part 37. Nothing! Put it back! Put the card back! You don't need nothing else! What you ordered for?
Did you feel just as attacked as I did when I first saw that video? Okay, good. We're on the same boat. But wasn't it so funny? If you guys know who she is, please let me know down in the description box. I would love to give her credit, because when I first saw that video, I died on the inside. It was hilarious. Anyway, hi guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's video, I'm doing my top 15 Amazon favorites. In this video, I will not include my desk, my couch, my wall, my rug. Everything that I mentioned in previous video will not be included in this one, but I will leave it in the description box where you can find what I'm talking about. Anyway, let's just jump right into the video. So the very first thing I want to mention is my Shiatsu shoulder massager. This is what it looks like. Honestly, it's one of my best purchases on Amazon. I got it for about $40 on Amazon, and this is what it looks like. You put it right around your neck. You can even insert your arms if you want to have a better control, and you just let it massage you. Now, it is a little bulky because, well, it's bulky. Now, if you're sitting on your couch, you will still feel all of the comfort that a massage is supposed to bring you. It lasts for about 15 minutes and then it stops automatically. There's the on button right here, and then you can also have it being hot or not, but I would recommend being hot. It's such a nice feeling. And then there's 3 levels: light, medium, or hard. You plug it into your wall and you just let it do its thing. You can have it, actually, let me show. You can have it on your neck, on your shoulders, or even all the way to your back. When I first used it, I knew that I had to get it for my mom. She always has like back pain, and this helps a lot. My brother uses it. I remember when I used it, I gave it to a cousin for her to try, and she loved it, so she got one now. Anytime that I tell somebody to try this, they just can't believe how good it is. So trust me when I say you need this. There's also an added bonus. If you go on a really long road trip, you can also plug this into your car charger thing, and then you can have your own massage in your car, right? My very next thing is my facial steamer. The way I used to steam my face, which is still fine, I used to boil water and then put it in a bowl, grab a towel, and then yep, that was it. But I decided to level up, so I got this from Amazon for about $27 if I'm not mistaken. It lasts for about 8 to 10 minutes. It comes with this. You put the water into it and then you drop it in there. You close it, you turn it on, and then you just let it do what it's supposed to do. I love using this when I do my clay mask because it's so hard and so harsh on the skin that using this helps a lot. And then it also comes with blackhead removers. You get 4 of those. I'm not quite sure why you need 4, but you know, I'll show you how 2 of them look like. So honestly, I love using this. Definitely recommend it. My very next thing is my remote control switch, and this is what it looks like. It comes with 3 of them. It's wireless remote control socket, if you want to be exact. It comes in the pack of 3. I'm only using one right now, but during Christmas time, it was so helpful. I had so much light around my whole apartment that this came in handy. And then right on it, it says the number that corresponds to the remote. Right now I'm using number 2, so if I want to turn it off, I just press 2. It turns it off, and then it turns it back on. That was honestly, it's the best thing ever. I really love using it, and it works with most electronics like lights, air conditioner, heater, audio. Anything you can plug into it will work. Since it only comes with one plug, I use one of these things, plug it right into it, and then that's it. My very next thing is my fabric diffuser. If you don't know what this is, it's this top is pretty new. If you have any sweater, sweatshirt, old like t-shirt, and you have like those little lens that forms like a little bowl, this is what you use on them. This is what you use to kill them. You just turn it on. It's so loud. You turn it on, and then let's just say that I had some here. And then you just take it away, and it would leave whatever you're using just like a brand new shirt, sweatshirt, sweatpants, whatever you decided to use it on. And then you just would come like running in this. It's battery operated, and it's pretty small, so it's also travel friendly. I love using this, love it. Okay, so the very next thing, I was just so excited when I found it. I was looking for a tea kettle, a very small one, because I wanted to use it on a plane. For those of you who don't know, I'm a flight attendant, and I love drinking tea, especially on the plane, because I get so bloated. So drinking lemon tea, ginger tea, green tea is great, but there's no way I'm using the water on the plane. So when I found this, it's my foldable tea kettle. That's right, it's foldable, as you can see. I just take it out, put my water right into it, plug it in, and then within 3 to 5 minutes, the water gets extremely hot. And then whenever I'm done, I just fold it back in. And I put it back in my lunch bag. It's great, especially if like you work in an office and you don't feel like getting up to grab your coffee, to do your tea or whatever. This is like this little tiny little thing. You can just leave it right there on the side. I can't remember how much I bought it for. I bought it over a year ago. The name of it is Gourmia. It's FBA free, it's travel friendly. It takes 3 to 5 minutes to warm up your water. I mean, what else can you ask for? And it's foldable. Now the very next thing I want to mention is my body composition scale. I love this particular scale just because it comes with an app called Feel Fit, and it tells you everything. It tells you your weight, your BMI, your body fat, your body weight, your body water, your muscle mass, your bone mass, your protein. It tells you everything. You just step on it, and then you connect it to your Bluetooth, and then it tells you everything you need to know on this little app. Love it. And I get it, if I'm not mistaken, I get it for $30. And I just find it so much better than a regular scale, so I would definitely recommend this one. The very next thing I want to mention are my resistant band. They come in this little pouch, and they look like this. This is the large one, this is the medium, and this is the small. Anytime I work out, I use them. I use mainly the small one. The large one is pretty big, so I mainly use the small and the medium. This is what they look like, and that's the actual name of it. What I love about them is that they don't roll up, they don't stretch out. I've had these for almost a year now, and they still remain the same. And it's such a nice high fabric. I love using them when I work out. Definitely recommend. My next thing is my sweat heat. If you feel like when you work out you don't sweat a lot in your stomach area, I would definitely recommend this thing. It will make you sweat like a pig. If pigs sweat, then that's what you will end up looking like, because that's what I end up looking like. This is what it looks like. That's the name of it. I got the medium size. You just wrap it around your waist and you work out. And honestly, it helps so much. I'm telling you guys, I sweat in my stomach area. I sweat so much when I take it out. And then it comes with this, so whenever you wash it, you can just put it right in there and you won't damage it. It also comes with the gel if you feel like you weren't sweating enough, but trust me, you will. If you feel like adding something else, it does come with the gel. You just put it on first and then you use this. And then do your workout, girl. Do your workout. It's extra thick and it's latex free. Definitely recommend it. My very next thing on my dumbbell, I just grabbed one. That color is just so pretty too. So I have the 3, the 5, and the 8 pound, and I love using them. I'm so weak in my upper body. My lower body is just so much stronger than my upper body, which is why I bought those dumbbell. And it's coated with neoprene. Hopefully I'm saying this right. I'll leave it somewhere on the screen so you can know exactly what I'm talking about. It's coated with that because when I work out, I do sweat, and the coat that they put on it helps me hold on to it and not let go. So there's that. Now when I work out, if I'm not using my over-the-head headphones, I'm using my wireless speaker. This, honestly, it was my brother. When I went back home to Miami, he was listening to music. I'm just like, what is this thing and how is it so loud? So then when I saw that it was this, I was just like, yeah, I need this in my life. So I grabbed it. You charge it right there on the side. It's wireless. You can bring it anywhere if you decide to go to the beach and you feel like having a little party. I use it when I work out. I use it when I clean. I use it when I shower. Basically, I use it all the time. And that's the name of it. The very next thing is my AirPod case cover. This is what it looks like. Now, it's not the actual cover, though. It's cute and it's marble, and I do have an obsession with marble. It's more the accessory that it came with. My brother got this for me and he figured that I wouldn't buy them because of the price, which, don't get me wrong, I didn't mind the price, but it was more like I wasn't about to spend however much this is for me to lose them within 2 seconds. I have the tiniest earlobe that I feel that, and the first time I wore it, I left it on and then I went about my business in my apartment. One of them fell and I didn't even feel it. And I was just like, no, I'm not using it. But then I realized that it came with this little silicone thing. And those help a lot. You just take one, the right one. You just take one, put it right in there, and then right in your ear. And it helps to stay there. And now I can move and go about my business. So yes, I love this little silicone thingy. If you have tiny ears just like me, I would definitely recommend getting these. My very next thing is my USB-C wall charger. This thing charges my phone if it's at 0 and fully dead. It'll charge my phone up to 59% in 30 minutes. That's right. So I love it. And with that, I bought a lighting cable. It's a little over 4 feet because I was tired of charging my phone next to my bed and being on the side of my bed like this. Now I can just lay down and text. Though I don't charge my phone next to my bed anymore, but if you do, this extra long one does come in handy. So there's that. My very next thing is for protection, and I use it, I put it on my key. It's a little bulky, but you know, whatever. It's called, I wrote it down, it's called a keychain emergency escape tool. It came with two of them and I got it for like $18. So you have a safety hammer right here. Let's say God forbids that you get stuck somewhere inside a car and you need to smash the window, then you would just use this on the side. You just press it and it's supposed to shatter. I haven't tried it, but that's what it claims to do. There's a whistle. Instead of screaming stranger danger, you just whistle as loud as you can. It comes with a tiny knife and it also comes with a flat blade screwdriver. There's also a flashlight, which is great. So yeah, I love having this on my key. I just feel a tiny bit safer, and it's great next to my mace, next to my right hook and my gun. So yeah, my very next thing is a privacy film window frost. Now there's two things that I absolutely love. One of them is privacy, the second one is natural light. And in my apartment, I feel like I was only able to get one or the other. I could either get natural light but no real privacy, at least that's why it felt to me, or I could get privacy but no natural light. So I was just like, I need to find something where I could get both. I want my natural light and I want my privacy as well. So I went on Amazon and I found this film frost that I could just put on my window, and then I could just open the blinds and have the natural light hit me and I would still have my privacy. And as an added bonus, I get the one that when the light hits right, when the sun hits the window frost right, I would get a rainbow. I'm going to show you guys the video. I love it. I love it. I'm so happy when I finally put it up and it gave me everything that I wanted. I was just like, yep, okay, now I have two of the things that I want. Okay, so my very last thing are my jewelry. I have my Naomi necklace that I got over a year ago. I use it often. I shower with it sometimes, not because I can't, but because I don't like showering with jewelry, whether it's real or fake. I also have my Africa map. And the earrings. They're not, the necklace and the earrings are not a set. I brought them separately. I've had all of this for over a year. I've used them a lot and they haven't turned any color and they haven't given me any skin reaction. So I would definitely recommend these, especially the necklace. It's gold plated and I get it for like $15. The only thing about this, it's made individually. It doesn't take 2 days to come. I think it took about like a week and a half, but it was worth the wait. I love wearing it. Alright, so this was it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below, let me know which one you like the most and which one are your Amazon favorites, and maybe I'll check it out. Make sure to subscribe, and until then, I will see you in my next video. Bye.